Hello students. So here we have been given an MCQ, the graph which shows the changes in population size due to limiting factors, and we have to tell which limiting factor does the graph demonstrate. So look at the graph that has been given carefully, and according to the graph, the option C, which is abiotic resources. Abiotic resources, it is the correct answer here. Now the abiotic resources or the abiotic components, they are lifeless chemical lifeless chemical and the physical components